Hello, people. What's up? I know you are waiting to know about more haunts to munch, but before moving further, quickly like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. In this video, you will be discovering the food city Indore. So let's have a look at top 10 places to eat street food in Indore. Ravi Alpahar. To have a heavy filling breakfast, this place is apt for you. It opens at 7 am. They have aloo kachori, poha, jalebi and mango shrikhand on their menu with reasonable prices. You can find it at 37 Anand Bazar, Bhimanagar, Old Palashia. Thapa Chinese Chaat Corner. Doesn't matter how many differences we have with China, but Chinese food can never be neglected. At Thapas, there are noodles, paneer noodles, bhel, and paneer rice. A delightful mix of Indian Chinese. You can run into this stall near Parihar Complex, Sukhdev Nagar Airport Road. Pure Indori. The name is pure and the food is divine. Be it Shahi Poha, Shahi Samosa, Moong Dal ki Kachori, Matar Kachori, Bhutte ki Kachori, or Usal Poha. Everything is authentically yummy. If listening this makes you greedy, then go and try every item at 350 Tilak Nagar Main Road. Agarwal Kachori Corner. I think Kachori should be considered as the all-time ready-to-eat North Indian eatery. Agarwal Kachori Center have moong bhajiye, pyaz kachori, aloo kachori, lehsoon kachori, samosa, teki kachori at their side. What you have to do is go to Kothari Market, Mahatma Gandhi Road, Khatipura and relish the taste. The owner of this shop has a 120 square feet stall and he is running it for over 50 years. This hot dog is a special food item of Indore. The place is always crowded and the owner Vijay Singh Rathore has won several awards for his unique delicacy. The stall is in Kothari Market, Mahatma Gandhi Road, Khatipura. Head Sahib ke Pohe. A head constable who always had a flair to treat people with scrumptious food left his job and set up a stall of jalebi and usal pohe served with chole and save. It has a popular name among locals. To be a customer, make your way towards Greater Kailash Road near Saket Square, Tulsi Colony, Old Palashia. Naveen Coconut Crush. A healthy stomach is the secret of a healthy mind, and Naveen Coconut Crush provide you with appetizing smoothie which has coconut crush and coconut water with malai. He's been serving for 6 years now, and this smoothie is the only beverage on the menu. To try it out, you can visit this stall in Bada Sarafa, Joshi Dahi Bada House, Sarafa Bazar. Joshi Dahi Bada House. Round the corner of 24 Bada Sarafa Bazar, Joshi Dahi Bada House attracts tourists to have delicious dahi bada, aloo bada and kachori. The spices will make you eat it again. Shri Ke Dal Pakwan. Dal Pakwan, a Sindhi food item which is a crisp bread like kachori and served with chana dal. You can try it out at Shri Ke Dal Pakwan, which is a famous stall around Fortune Hotel. Shyam Sandwich. Near Apollo Square, New Palashia, Shyam Sandwich Corner satisfy your craving with their n number of sandwiches, from tandoori grilled, vegetarian to non-vegetarian. Also, if you want to try some drinks, you have option for cold coffee and shake. Hope you find the content useful. For more such videos, stay connected. Till then, brew your thoughts, dawdle your mind, and discover the path called life. Hasta la vista.